Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The all-new 2025 Honda Passport TrailSport pickup truck. Honda has introduced the 2025 Passport TrailSport pickup truck, combining the brand's reliability with strong off-road performance. This new truck is perfect for drivers who want both adventure and everyday usability. Exterior design. The Passport TrailSport pickup has a bold and tough look, with a large front grille, LED headlights, fog lights, and raised suspension. It's built for off-road use with rugged body cladding and durable all-terrain tires. The cargo bed is functional and stylish, with a scratch-resistant liner, built-in storage, a power tailgate, and a 120V outlet for convenience. Interior. Inside, the truck is both practical and comfortable. It features rugged leather seats, plenty of storage, and space for 5 passengers, making it ideal for family trips or outdoor adventures. The cabin is equipped with Honda's latest infotainment system, including a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, a premium sound system, and wireless charging. Performance. The Passport TrailSport pickup is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This engine provides the power needed for both highway driving and off-road challenges. The truck comes standard with all-wheel drive and has multiple driving modes for different terrains like snow, mud, and sand. Skid plates protect the truck's underbody, and high ground clearance helps with navigating rough terrain. Utility. The truck offers strong towing and payload capabilities, making it suitable for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy loads. It's a great option for both work and play. Safety. Honda's Sensing Suite is included, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and more. Additional safety systems for off-road use, like hill descent control and traction management, help keep the truck stable on tough terrain. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Passport TrailSport pickup is an exciting new vehicle for Honda. It's perfect for drivers who need a truck that can handle off-road adventures while still being practical for everyday use. With a powerful engine, advanced safety features, and a rugged design, it's ready for any challenge.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.